Hello everybody. In my previous video you seen they delivered my pistons. Took them to the machine shop earlier today. Checked the clearances and the deck height. Everything's good. I don't have enough piston to wall clearance to use that line to line coating, so I'm gonna run them just like this right here. Anyway, I'm in the process of deburring them and massaging that on them a little bit. They got a real sharp edge. You can't see it, but it literally catches your it almost catches your fingernail on it. It's so sharp edges around there and all. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but they left part of the dome on here when they was cutting these valve reliefs, and you can see it right there. And I'm in the process of taking that off. I don't need that in there. They got a real sharp edge there. I don't like none of that. So anyway, this is before. This is after. All that's smooth. All them sharp edges is gone. That's radiused. I've done it with a Dremel and that Harbor Freight buffing pad and that compound. Took that sharp edge that was there. It's off. Cut that down and buffed all that out. So you just take that and go around. Well, it's just, they got videos on how to buff aluminum, polish aluminum. That's basically the same thing. This ain't perfectly polished, but it'll work for what I'm doing. All these sharp edges are gone now. You can feel it there. It's anyway. So that's before. That's after. All right, that's what I'm doing. I'll get all the rest of them done like that. Take them back over and get the rings and rod bearings, get everything sized, pistons, pins, bores, and all sized like it needs to be. The rod's resized, and balance this thing, and I think it'll be ready to put together. Can't think of anything else. Anyway, yeah, you run these pistons out of the box like that right there, you're asking for problems. Talk to y'all later.